Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Diablo Immortal on any Android smartphone, even when it doesn't support the game. So keep in mind that you'll be doing this at your own risk, and installing any app this way may cause harm to your smartphone. So as you can see, I have a smartphone in front of me, and if I try to open Diablo Immortal, I won't be able to find it here. There's no Diablo Immortal in the Google Play Store, so we'll need to look on our Google Chrome. Here, enter the Diablo, or actually just app pure, like this. Hit the search. Open this link, this exact site. Now we want to use app pure app. Click download, then download anyway. Open, install. In some cases you might not have the ability on Google enabled that allows you to install apps from unknown sources, so you might need to enable it first. In this case I don't, so I'm just gonna open it normally. Then we'll need to allow all permissions to this app, and we can already see Diablo Immortal right here. You can also search for it right here if you can't find it in the trending games. So let's press on the Diablo Immortal, then we can install it. So it takes about 2.2 gigabytes to install, but if you want to have entire game downloaded with all of the resource packs, it takes about 13 gigabytes. So right now it will download. After that you'll be able to install it and then play it normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.